Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok verification code not receiving on iPhone so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. This takes you to the home page where you can start the login process. Step 2, tap Profile at the bottom right. This opens your personal profile and account options. Step 3, tap on Login and use the available options under Need Help Logging In, such as Request a Call, Use Password, or Recover Account. These options help you receive the verification code through alternative methods. Step 4, if the above doesn't work, open iPhone Settings and tap General. This section allows you to manage storage and app settings. Step 5, tap iPhone Storage, locate TikTok, then tap Offload App and confirm. This removes the app without deleting your data and can fix issues causing verification problems. Step 6, reinstall TikTok from the App Store. This installs a fresh version of the app which can resolve bugs affecting code delivery. Step 7, go back to iPhone settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services, and ensure TikTok has location access. This allows TikTok to verify your device properly. Step 8, go back to General, find and tap on Language and Region and ensure your country and region are set correctly. Correct region settings help TikTok send the code accurately. Step 9, restart your iPhone. A restart refreshes system processes and can solve minor glitches. Step 10, if you are still not receiving codes, wait 12-24 hours before trying again. Sometimes waiting resolves temporary issues with TikTok's verification system. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.